Welcome to Buy Spares. This video will show you how to use energy-saving tumble dryer balls. Before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. If you use your tumble dryer regularly, a great way of making it run more efficiently is by introducing these dryer balls into your laundry. Firstly, the balls are designed to separate the individual items of clothing while they're going round in the dryer, allowing the appliance to more thoroughly evaporate the water away. This means the load will dry quicker, so you won't need to use the dryer for as long, leading to a reduction in your energy bills. Secondly, the dryer balls make an excellent alternative to using fabric softener in the wash by rolling across the clothes in the dryer to prevent stiffness in the fabric. For all the spares you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.